here today with Louie at HydroMaster, and we're here to introduce you to your freshly unpacked Evolution carpet wand. Louie, take it away.
All right, when you get your new Evolution wand, it's going to come, your grab handle is going to be in the shipping position, so we're going to need to reposition that. You're also going to have a bag of extra jets on here that are different sizes. Your Evolution wand, when it comes with your PEX 500, is going to be set up to use with the portable jets, the 110-01s. The extra jets that come with it can be for if you want to switch out the jets for truck mount flow. So we're just going to remove the baggie of jets by clipping the zip tie, setting that aside if you need to use the jets later. There's also a parts breakdown for all the parts on your Evolution wand inside that baggie. So if you ever need to reorder parts, refer to that parts diagram. Okay, so now we want to reposition our grab handle. What we're going to do is take the nuts off the end of the fasteners. One.
Do you need to remove both sides or just one?
No, you only need to remove one side. I removed both.
What about the cap that comes on the end of the wand?
That cap is just a shipping cap to protect the tubing, and that can be removed because your vacuum hose is going to go there. So once you remove one side of the nuts, that'll allow you to take it off. You're going to position it down on the neck of the wand. And you want this bottom half of the wand, or bottom bracket, to go behind or on the inside of the hose so you don't pinch the hose. Then you're going to reassemble your grab handle, and it's going to be flat washer, lock washer, and your nut. And what you're going to do from here while it's loose is you want to adjust your grab handle to the height of the user. So this can be adjusted for any cleaner, but you want to set it to the size that you are, right about at grab length there.
So you're not overextending your arm or causing your shoulders to lean forward with too deep of a grip.
Correct. So once we get it in the position we like it in there, we're going to go ahead and take 2 half-inch wrenches and snug up our two nuts evenly without over tightening the clamp to prevent the possibility of crushing the tube. Now our grab handle is nice and tight. You want to kind of twist it, make sure that it's not going to twist on you. And you're ready to go out and clean lots of carpet and hard surfaces with your Evolution wand.
We're here today with our PEX 500 and the Evolution wand, which has now got an optional and revolutionary awesome feature to change from a carpet head to a hard surface brush glide.
To switch out to your brush glide to do hard surface from your carpet glide, you're going to simply turn your wand over, and you'll see there's a set screw that locks in the glide onto the glide slide. You take a 3/32 Allen wrench, place it into the set screw, turn counterclockwise to loosen the set screw enough to unlock it from the glide stop. You can take a mallet and gently tap the end of the glide, get it started. remove your carpet glide, your hard surface glide with the brush. Line it onto the glide slide. And you're going to take your 3/32 Allen wrench again and tighten the set screw until it bottoms out onto the glide. Now you're ready to clean hard surface.